Hey students, welcome back to an exciting and different school year. In this short video, we're going to cover 4 important topics for your first day of classes. The first topic is how to log into a Chromebook using Classlink. Secondly, how to access your schedule on PowerSchool. Thirdly, how to access your remote learning class. And fourth, how to ask for technical help. So first of all, if you already have a school Chromebook, you might have noticed that the Chromebook is asking you to log in through Classlink. The reason why we're using it is you will be able to access a whole bunch of different apps by only entering in one username and password. So the first thing that you do is for username, go ahead and type in the first letter of your first name, the first 3 letters of your last name, and last 4 numbers for your student ID number. And then go ahead and type in your Gmail password. Then click on sign in. It is that easy. The second part of this video is how to access your class schedule through PowerSchool. In your browsing bar, type in johnston.k12.nc.us/SOC. SOC stands for Student Online Connections. Now, beginning Monday, you may see a section that looks like this, where you will be asked to log into Classlink. You will log into it exactly the same way as I just showed you. For now, go ahead and click on NC Ed Cloud Student Sign In. And notice that if you forget your PowerSchool password, you can always go through the process of getting it reset. Go ahead and type in your username, which will be your student ID number. Click Go. Type in your password. Click Go. Double-click on this icon here that says PowerSchool Student. It looks like the letter P superimposed upon a black square. Double-click on that, and it should bring up your schedule. You can also click on the link on the left-hand side that says My Schedule. Knowing your schedule is very important because the next step is to access your online remote learning classroom codes. To do this, go to the SSS website. There are a couple of ways to do this. First of all, on the Student Online Connections page, you can click on Our Schools, High Schools, and then Smithfield-Selma High School. And the very first banner slide that you see is Access Your Classroom Codes. Another way to find our web page is to go to the Google browser and type in Smithfield-Selma High School. It should be the first tab that appears on your web search. Go ahead and click on that, and again you will be taken to our website. To access your classroom codes, click on the link. If the banner image has changed at all, you can cycle through the various banner images to find the correct one. And notice that during the first day of school, you can click here if you need to talk with the school administrator. Click on the link here, and it will take you to the SSS Remote Learning page. Please explore this page, but the most important thing for you to know is that you will access your classroom codes by clicking on the various links at the top of the page. For example, if you have JoCo Teach, click on JoCo Teach, and here you have a link for Ms. Sweat's course website. There is also a Zoom link for her Canvas course. If you have an English class, click on the tab for English and scroll down to find your teacher. Here you can see various codes for Google Classroom. Then other teachers have a Canvas course. To access Canvas, go back to the Student Online Connections page, and over here, click on Canvas. If you had logged out of Rapid Identity or NC Ed Cloud, re-enter your information, and it will take you to the Canvas platform. Click on I agree to the acceptable use policy and click on Submit. This will open up a welcoming dashboard page where you can access your courses. With the Classlink feature being made available Monday morning, you may be able to access Canvas directly through Classlink. That Classlink page may look something like this, where you can directly click on Google Classroom, Canvas, and Connexus. What do you do if you need some technical help? The county has created a great website to help you with that issue. Just go over to the slide that says Need Technology Assistance. Click on Tech Help. Here, you will find various links to help you with locking into Chromebooks, using hotspots, an overview of Classlink, Canvas, and other tutorials. If none of these resources are helpful to you, you can go down to the Tech Help request form and click on Smithfield-Selma High. This will open up a Google form where you can type in your name, first name, last name, your contact phone number, a contact email address, and specific information regarding the problems that you're having. Make certain that you click on Submit at the end of the Google form. When you complete this form, a spreadsheet will be generated that will alert staff members regarding the problems that you are having. Those staff members are the school's lead technology teacher, the school's data manager, and the school's 2 media coordinators. We will work as soon as possible to help you resolve the technical issues that you are experiencing. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that everybody has a great 2020 to 2021 school year.